If you're looking for office carpet cleaners in Doncaster, you've found us. We're professional carpet cleaners, registered to the IICRC and the NCCA. What's good about us is that we do a really good deep clean, plus you get to walk on the carpet almost straight away. That's with the Rocket Clean system that we use. We use the Rocket Dry system when we're cleaning carpets in Doncaster. This means that you can have access to your office and commercial carpets almost straight away. That's a real advantage, so you don't need to leave the windows open and leave someone in there to guard the place while we're gone for hours on end. We can lock up for you. We are the only IICRC certified firm in South Yorkshire. Now that should give you a lot of confidence when you look at how much training and how many years we have behind us. We will deep clean your office carpets anytime. Just give me a call and I can get round and give you a price real quick because we only work in Doncaster. Feel free to call me today on 073 1148 2007 or click the link below to go to the website where you can either email us, WhatsApp us or Facebook us. There you are. I'm waiting for your call. For office and commercial carpet cleaning in Doncaster.